Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is actually a week ago was my birthday, my 33rd birthday, and then this weekend will be Mother's Day, which already I'm gonna go ahead and say Happy Mother's Day since this will be uploaded the day after Mother's Day. So yeah, we went to Target and then we went to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of share with you guys what I picked up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just get on with the day and cook dinner with you guys and clean with you guys like normal stuff. All right, so let me go ahead and share what I got from Target first. We actually went because my husband needed to get glasses. He had to get his new glasses, and then we got 3 months of contacts. He doesn't wear contacts. Rarely he wears contacts because be careful, baby. Because he doesn't like it anymore. He has pretty bad eyesight, so yeah, we just needed to get it. It was actually his dad's Christmas present to him last year, so they're gonna cover that. It was so expensive. Oh my goodness, it's just because his eyesight is so bad. Anyways, we did go get his contacts and his glasses. I love the glasses. As soon as he put them on, I was like, I love those. So he could try other ones. Nope, not it. I love the other ones. So yeah, we picked up his glass. We ordered his glasses. And then we got this for his contacts and to take that out of the packaging. I have a whole bunch of contact cases since I used to like wearing cosmetic contacts. I got my daughter this. It was a dollar spot. Picked this up. This was a very rushed run, to be honest, because okay, be careful, baby. My mini human was getting fussy. She was fine until I went into the optical, and they started acknowledging her, and it wasn't fine anymore. So yeah, that's the thing. Sometimes you shouldn't talk to toddlers because not all toddlers want to be talked to. Because she was good until everybody tried to talk to her and started looking at her, and she was like feeling uncomfortable. Same, baby, same. I don't want people talking to me and looking at me either. I sound so antisocial. Anyways, I also saw this. I had picked up the Encanto one years prior, and I also picked up I want to say Minnie Mouse one years prior and Frozen. And this is the first time I've seen a princess one. So I picked up the princess one, which I thought was really, really cute. She does like these. I haven't given her one in a while. But you guys know I have a little section where I keep stuff for her. Travel wise, I did pick up a couple things because so we didn't go to our normal Target. We went to our super Target. So they have a lot more stuff than our normal Target does. So I picked up these. My Target never has these, so I picked these up. This is gonna be for like detangling spray, one for water, since I have a huge water spray for her hair, and then this one, for her actual conditioning kind of gel thing. And I just got a backup one, an extra one for if I need it for something. I also found these really cute plates, which I think she's really gonna like. I've been using bamboo plates, and this one comes in 2 designs, and they are baby sharks. So I had to get these for her. And then I tried this Salud hydration and immunity drink. You guys know I love my liquid IV. This is very similar to that, but this actually has less sugar in it, and this flavor is delicious. Well, I've only tried this one so far, but it was really, really good. It tastes almost identical to horchata. It does have a teeny tiny bit aftertaste after like diet, my husband says, but I didn't really notice it much, but it was really good. So I got another pack of those. Only 6 come in there for like $8, which is expensive. But I want to see if I can get either a discount code, but like a promo. Hopefully they'll have one soon because I really want to pick up more. And then I wanted to get the what's it called? I forgot, Jamaica one for my husband, but they sold out. So I didn't get that one. I ended up seeing this energy and focus drink though. So I got this one for my husband. It is strawberry and watermelon. So he loves stuff like this. So I thought this would be good for me and him. It's dairy free, soy free, 1 gram of sugar, no artificial flavors or dyes. And it says on the go. So I got this one. And then again, this weekend is Mother's Day, so I got my mom and my mother-in-law bags. So I just got a little bag that was on sale, and I thought it was cute, so I got them those bags. Those bags are actually going to be good for taking on our trip to Florida. And I also got my mom, since she does, not because she does a lot for us, but she's my mom, so I just got that. I got her a suitcase to go when we go on our trip. It's not the biggest size, it's the medium size. She wanted to be able to check it in, but she didn't want it to be the big size, which is what me and my husband are going to take. She wanted the medium. So I've been looking for months, and I finally found one that the color looked like my mom. She wanted it not to be black, not to be white. She wanted a color that she can see from far away. That's my suitcase. So I picked up this beautiful blue one. I'll show you right here. So that's what I'm giving her for Mother's Day. And then I wanted to throw it into a really cute little bag. I got them both the same thing because they both have gone through so many moisturizers. I used to work at Sephora. I don't think they loved any of the moisturizers, like any Natasha, Drunk Elephant, Fresh, nothing. They didn't like any of them. So I decided to get them both. This one because I've actually been liking it, but this is the more hydrating one. I got them the small one to see if they like it first. And then I got 2 of the NYX Professional Makeup Blur Screen Primer. Again, they don't really know the whole makeup game, so they're going to moisturize and then just put this on and put on their foundation or concealer. I wanted to get foundation or concealers, but I can guess for both of them, but I didn't want to do that. So I got those. All right. So hopefully now she behaves over there. So then we went to Dollar Tree. And I picked up a couple things. Again, we were rushed. This she actually told me, Mommy, I'm sleepy. So she doesn't nap, but when we're out and I'm carrying her, it's usually if I'm carrying her or if she's in the car seat, she starts getting sleepy. No, because then she's not sleeping at night. So I ended up giving her a little pouch of apple. I went to the car, my husband paid, and I ended up giving her a pouch of apple sauce, and she kind of woke up and I put consumi on her tablet. She hasn't been watching her tablet in the morning, so she was good. And she stayed awake, and then she said, I feel better now. So I guess maybe she was hungry. But I mean, we had a big breakfast, but okay. I also, off topic, kind of, I bought these vitamins that everybody has, the Heja vitamins, morning. Thank you, baby. Morning and night. And I personally get really hungry with vitamins. Whenever I take vitamins, I'm hungry all day. And I feel like she's becoming that. Like she's getting hungry with the vitamins. So that might be it. We'll see. I'm so far liking it. I'm so happy that she actually likes it. I do have to cut it up though. She doesn't like how big it is, but that's okay. She's 2, so yeah. All right. So I ended up picking up an art smock. I feel like she's gonna love wearing this. She's been loving wearing her baking hat and set. So I thought she would really like this. I saw Pixie Dustin Mom, and she posted over chair case storage. They didn't have this at my Dollar Tree. We went to a different Dollar Tree as well, since we were already in a different area. And I saw this. I can't wait to see what she says about it, because I picked one up because I was gonna buy the expensive one that kind of slides into the chair in the front in the airplane, because I don't want her touching it because she's gonna be all over it. So let's see. We will see together, guys, if that works. I got some more cloths. I like taking her bath with this. I need to wash it though. I did pick up a toothbrush for my mom for travel. This is gonna go in her Mother's Day bag. I picked up 2 of these Tag deodorizing face and body for my husband, actually. So I got one for the car, and I got one for my bag. My husband likes these disinfecting wipes, so he got 2 of those. My daughter actually ended up liking these, so we might end up picking up more of these from Dollar Tree, which they actually are pretty good. I've never seen this, and I just noticed he got this, and it's a door draft stopper. This was a Dollar Tree, babe? The door draft stopper? No way. Was it $5? Really? He also picked up this multi-surface peppermint sage cleansing wipes, which are these for the car, baby? Oh, just to clean. I got some more of these for my hair. I lose them all the time. My husband got some bandages. This is for my daughter to play doctor. I got some of these for my keys. For the first time ever, she actually found some Post-it notes, and she had a blast. So I decided to buy a small pack to keep in my bag. and also a big one. They also, hear me out, my daughter hates the sun in the car, so I actually put them on the window and it blocks the sun. So good for that. I got my mom a Mother's Day little thing book. I'm gonna have my daughter actually write in it right now. I got a knee support. My mother-in-law has braces, and I love these when I have braces, so I got her one of these. I did get some healing hand cream. I don't know if I'm gonna give them to my mother-in-law yet or my mom. I might just keep these for us, one for the car, or one for my bag, and one for my husband's lunch bag, just because he has dry hands, and I actually really love this brand. Then the last thing, my husband picked up some cars. All right, that was it, right? Yeah, and then I got my CBD oil in the mail. I have really bad anxiety. I don't want to rely on this at all, though. But sometimes I just really been needing something to, chill me out a little bit. So I thought I'll pick some CBD up. I actually ordered it online. But yeah, that is all. Oh, and the bags are gonna go in. Hopefully they fit. It looks so much smaller now in person. Not in person, but like now that it's here. So I might actually pack up the Mother's Day stuff now so that I can make sure they even fit in here. We will see. Fingers crossed. Then actually needs to find a Spanish Mother's Day card for his mom. All right, so let me clean this up and then I need to start dinner. All right, Home Chef was delicious. HelloFresh. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. I did make 2 different ones just because I knew that one wasn't going to be enough. The meat is definitely like the 1 serving. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up the mess. I do leave a plate for my daughter though. Yeah. Okay. I do leave a plate. She didn't want to finish her pasta. She ate the broccoli though. So I'm going to leave the pasta there. I don't rush her. So eat when you're ready, baby girl. I'm going to go see what she needs. While I was washing dishes, I had a visitor. She was actually on top of that. But yeah, she made a nice little mess. And now I got to clean up on top of that. Just noticed I did not exit out of yesterday's video, so this is exiting out. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I noticed like around as soon as I finished, it was like 7:30ish, I think 7, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this kid vitamins and everything. It was just, I had to like wrap it up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.